Hey everyone! Today I will be doing a Penpal video. I'll be setting up a Penpal to send back to my sister. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'll start off by showing you what my sister sent me recently in her latest Penpal. So she sent me this very beautiful card with some flowers on it. And on the inside it looks like she used some of the scrapbook paper that I sent her in my last Penpal and created a very cute little frame or pocket to hold her ATC. If you're unfamiliar with what an ATC is, it just stands for Artist Trading Card. And these are just little paintings that my sister and I paint for one another in each of our Penpals. Each time then we basically do a different theme. So this time then she wanted to do the theme of sunflowers. So I absolutely love this little painting that she did. It's very adorable. Alright, so as you can see on the packet, then she used a little strip of Coffee Monsters Co. washi tape to close the packet. And then she also included a couple of adorable little stickers that she made herself with her sticker machine. Let's go ahead and open this up. So she just included some very beautiful and adorable stickers that she made herself to go along with her ATC. Then she made a variety of sunflower stickers, which are beautiful and I'm so excited to use them. She also included some of this design that she made where it's basically just like some branches of leaves hanging on a piece of string or twine, it looks like. And then of course I had to ask for some more stickers of my two cats, Homer and Dion, laying around being adorable. And of course she included some Temptations treats because they are obsessed with those. And then some of their toys, they're so cute and look exactly like the real thing. Thank you so much to my sister for making these for me and sending them my way. I'm so excited to use them. So let's go ahead and start working on her Penpal. So I'm going to start off by painting the ATC for my sister, and per usual I'm just going to be using the Legion Stonehenge watercolor cold press paper. This is a pad that comes with 2 inches by 3 inches paper, so it is the perfect size for an ATC. So I'm just using a sheet out of this pad. For the watercolors, I'm just going to be using my St. Petersburg White Nights watercolor palette. For my brushes, I'm going to be using a couple of water brushes in the smallest sizes that I can find. So this one is the Pentel Aquash water brush, and this one is a Sakura water brush that comes in one of their watercolor palettes. So as you can see, I've already taped in a sheet of the watercolor paper onto my clear acrylic clipboard and just taped it down with some painter's tape. I went ahead and just lightly sketched out a drawing for my ATC, and now I'm just going to take my watercolors and add the paint. So for my theme this time, I wanted to do a stationery and office theme. I recently did a lot of rearranging in my house to get a better home office and recording area set up, which has been so exciting. I'm really looking forward to when it's all set up and ready. Let me know if you'd be interested in an office tour when it's complete. I'd love to hear your thoughts and share my little setup with you. Anyway, for my ATC, I painted a desk space with a window view, some fairy lights and a garland, along with a mug, coaster, open journal, writing utensils, and a picture frame. I thought it was a nice mix of decorations and practicality. Some of these items were also inspired by real-life decor and items that I have on my desk. So now that I'm done adding the watercolor paints, I'm just going to stop right there, and then I'm just going to take my Sakura Pigma Micron in the 01 size and outline the painting and just add a little bit more details. With the watercolors being so light and delicate, I wanted to define the items a little more with an outline using my fineliner. I think it really helped to anchor this piece together. Now that everything is inked in, I'm just taking my white Uniball Signo gel pen and going in with some highlights. Alright, so now that my ATC is done, I'm just going to move on to the next part of the pen pal that I'll be sending her. I want to go ahead and just make some handmade stickers to send her way, so let's go ahead and do that. So for the materials to make these stickers, I'm just going to be using a piece of printer paper. This is a slightly thicker version of the typical printer paper, which I like to use for stickers. I'll also be using some clear packing tape, as well as some parchment paper. For the actual coloring, I'm just going to be using an assortment of my Tombow dual brush pens, as well as my Sakura Pigma Microns to outline any details, as well as my white Uniball Signo gel pen to add any highlights. So I'm not going to be going into too much detail in this video on how I make the stickers. I do have a separate video going into more details on how I make these stickers, so if you are curious, I'll go ahead and link that right here so you can go ahead and check that out. But I'm just going to go ahead and make the stickers really quick. To go along with the stationery and office theme, I wanted to make some stickers of journals and office decor. I used my Sakura Pigma Micron 03 size to outline the stickers, color them in, and then cut them out. I stuck a strip of packing tape on the parchment paper, lined up the stickers on top, and then added another strip of tape over the stickers. Then I cut them out once more. Now that the stickers are all cut out, I'm just taking this tiny little Ziploc bag and I'm just going to put the stickers inside. Now that the ATC and the stickers are done, I'm just going to work on the letter now. So to make the envelope for the Penpal letter, I'm just taking this sheet of scrapbook paper that has kind of like this marble design on it. And I have a little envelope that I peeled off the edges for so that it's kind of like a template. I'm just going to outline the shape of this envelope on this piece of paper, and that way I can make an envelope out of it. And I'm basically just lining up the top part of the envelope and this side of the envelope to the edges of the paper. Now I'm just taking my mechanical pencil and drawing an outline around the envelope. So I wanted to create a custom envelope using scrapbook paper with a design that I thought matched the theme. I thought this would be a nice touch to the Penpal compared to a plain envelope. Now that it's all cut out, I'm just going to reference the template and fold along the same edges as this example. Now that everything is folded, I'm just taking my mechanical pencil once more and just kind of outlining like this little corner here lightly. And this will just give me a guideline as to where I should stop with the adhesive tape runner. So taking my Tombow Mono adhesive tape runner, I'm just going to apply it right along the side here up until the marking that I made with the pencil. I'm also just going to apply it to this part as well, just to make sure that the adhesive is very strong. Now I'm just going to flip it back over. And if you want, you can just go ahead and erase those markings from before. All right, now you have your own DIY envelope. Lastly, I'm just going to work on the letter. I'm just using a sheet of the Kokyo loose leaf paper It does come with some hole punches on the side, but I just went ahead and cut that off with my paper cutter so it has a nice clean edge. So now I'm just going to write my letter back to her. So unfortunately, the footage of me writing the letter got corrupt, but I just went ahead and decorated the page with some of my sister's stickers, and then I wrote her letter using the Pilot Frixion Waai pens. I love how soft the colors are, which I think tie nicely with the ATC. Now I'm just folding up the letter to make sure it fits in the envelope, and I'm just adding a couple strips of washi tape for more decoration. Alright, all that's left to do is just seal off the envelope and then write out the return address and her address, stamp it, and just send it her way. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I would love to hear from you. And let me know if you have any future video suggestions. I would love to get more of your feedback and put out videos that you guys are interested in. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.